Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So I am Jyoti and I am here to teach mathematics for class 3rd. We were doing our chapter number 2, exercise number 5. So up to question number 2 we have completed already. Today we will do question number 3. Okay. So question number 3 is write the place value of the digit 6 in the box. Write the place value of digit 6 in the box. Okay. So first number is 361. Second number is 206. Third number is 631. Fourth number is 2695. Next number is 6320. 6320. And the last one is 3600. Okay, these are the numbers. Now let us read the question again. Write the place value of digit 6 in the box. Okay, so we have to write the place value of 6 in each number. I told you already what is the meaning of place value. Place value is the value of the digit at a particular place in a number, right? So in this number, 6 is at the place of 10, right? 6 is at the place of 10. So 6 to 10 means 60. So its place value will be 60. Okay. Next number 206. Place of 6 is 1. So place value of 6 will be 6 itself. Next number is 631. Place of 6 is 100. So place value of 6 will be 600, right? Next one, 2695. So in this number, what is the place of 6? Place of 6 is 100, right? So its place value will be 600. Next number is 6320. So what is the place of 6 here? Place of 6 is 1000, right? So its place value will be 6000. Okay. Next number 3600. 3600. So what is the place of 6 here? The place of 6 is 100. So its place value will be 600. Okay. So easy. So let us start next question. Question number 4. Write the place value of 8 in the given number. Okay. So let me write the question first. Write the place value of 8 in 8483. Okay, 8483. So in this number, how many 8 are there? In this number, 2 8s are there, right? 1 and 2. 2 8 are there. Means we need to write the place value of all 8 in this number, no? So what will be the place value of this 8? What will be the place value of this 8? 8 10, right? 8 10 means 80. So its place value will be 80. And what is the place of 8? This 8. Place of this 8 is 1000. So its place value must be 8000. So its solution will be like 8483. First of all, we will write the number like this. And then we will write here 80. This is the place value of this 8. And then we will write here 8000. This is the place value of this 8, right? So this is the solution of this question. I hope you understand this one. 5 is find the difference of the place values of two sevens in the given number. Okay, so let's start. Let's start question number 5. Question number 5. Find the difference of the place values the place values of two sevens in. So what is the number given here? The number is 6577. Okay. So let us read the question again. Find the difference of the place values of two sevens. Two sevens. Why there is two sevens? Two sevens because in this number there are two sevens, right? 1 and 2. So what we have to do? We have to find the difference between their place values, right? So to solve this question, we must know what are the place value of these two sevens. After that, we can subtract the numbers. Difference means subtracting, right? Difference means subtracting. So first of all, we will write the place value of these two sevens. Okay? So let's start. Let's start solving this question. So let us write the place value of these two sevens. What is the place value of this 7? Place value of this 7 is 7 itself. Why? Because its place is 1, right? And 7 1 is equal to 7, right? Next 7. What is the place value of this 7? Place value of this 7 is 70, right? Place value of this 7 is 70. Now what we need to do? We need to find the difference, right? We need to find the difference between the place value of these two sevens. First step we have solved already. We already find the place value of these two sevens, right? Right? Now only one thing is left, which is now we have to find the difference. Difference, math difference means subtraction. Okay? Difference means subtraction. It means we need to find the result of subtraction between these two numbers. Okay? So, after that we will write here difference is equal to, tell me one thing, between these two numbers, which number is greater? Which number is greater? 7 is greater or 70 is greater? All of you will say, ma'am, 70 is greater, right? 70 is greater. It is clear that 70 is greater than 7, right? So to find the difference or to subtract two numbers, always we will write the greater number above and smaller number below. Okay? 0 minus 7, is it possible? We can subtract 7 from 0. No, we cannot subtract. So now what will we do? We will take 1 borrow from 7 and it will become 10. So 10 minus 7 is equal to 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Okay? It gave 1 to 0, right? Now it will become 6. So answer is 63. What is the answer? Answer is 63. Right? Right? Question was find the difference of the place values of two sevens in this number. Right? It means we need to find the difference between the place value of these two sevens. Right? So for that, we first of all we find the place value of these two sevens, and after that we find the difference. Right? So easy. So let's start our next question. Question number 6. Tick. Reena's number. It has 200, 3 tens, 5,000 and 6 ones. Okay, let's start. Pick Reena's car number. One car is there. Okay. So I am writing here car instead of drawing a car. Okay. Pick Reena's car number. Car number. It has 200. It has 200. Three tens, 5,000. Three tens, 5,000 and and 6 ones. 6 ones. Okay. And options are, first option is 2,356. Okay. Second option is 3,265. Third option is 5,236. And the fourth option is 5,326. Okay. So let us read the question. Pick Reena's car number. Okay. Pick Reena's car number. It has 200, 310, 5,000 and 6 ones. Okay. So my students, I told you whenever we want to write a number, we will always start from 1, right? We will always start from 1. So after 1, which place comes? 10, right? After 10, 100. After 100, 1,000. You will not see the number like first one is 2, second one is 3, third one is 5, fourth one is 6. So you will not write the answer like this. No, you will not write the answer like this. You will read the question carefully. Okay? You will read this question carefully. What is written here? Here is written it has 200. 200. No. At first place, which digit should be there? 1. If I start writing the number from my right hand side. And if I want to write the number from my left hand side, so I will use first of all 1,000. Okay. So generally you know that whenever we are writing the number, we never write a number like this, na? We always write a number like this. Right? It means we always start writing our number from left hand side. And whenever we want to read the places, we always start from our right hand side. Right? So, if I want to write a number from my left hand side, can you tell me which place it should be there? Which place must be there if a number is of 4 digits? You will say, man, it is obvious 1,000, right? So first of all, we have to find the digit at 1,000 place. So amongst in 4 digits, which digit is with 1,000? Which digit is with 1,000? Here it is, right? There is 5,000. So first digit should be 5. After that, which place comes? 100. So among in these digits, which digit is at 100 place? See, 200. It means our next digit will be 2. Next, what is the place? 10. So which is the 10th place digit? This one, right? 3 tens. So we will write here 3. And the digit at 1st place, which is the digit? 6. So the next digit will be. Now see, this is your answer. What is the answer? 5,236. Where is the option? Where is the option? Search this option. 5,000. 236. Where is the option? Option is here, right? So this is the, okay? We will solve this question like that. Don't forget to see the position of the digits, okay? Don't write the number like this 2, 3, 5, 6. No. First of all, see the place and then write the number, okay? So let's start our next question. Encircle Rahul's house number. It has 8, 10, 4,000 and 2 1. So let's start. This question is same as question number 4. And now we know that how to solve this kind of question, right? So now we can solve this question fastly, right? So let's start. Encircle Rahul's house number. House number. It has 8, 10, 4,000 and 2 1. Okay? So let us write the numbers. First number is 842. Next number is 482. 842. 482. Next number is 4020. And the next number is 4082. Okay? So these are the numbers. This is our question. Let's start. Encircle Rahul's house number. This is same as this question. Pick Reena's car number. What is the difference here? Only pick or encircle. Only this is the difference. It has 8, 10, 4,000 and 2 1. First of all, no, what you do? First of all, you find the highest place. Highest place. Okay? Among 10,000 and 1, which place is the highest? Which is highest? 10 is highest? Or 1 is highest? Or 1,000 is highest? You will say, man, 1,000 is highest, right? And this is right also. 1,000 place is highest place. It means the number must be of 4 digits. Okay? So when we find the highest place, we can cancel 2 options. It means these 2 options will not there. Why? Because these are 3-digit numbers. And now we know that the 1,000 place is highest. It means the number must be of 4 digits, right? So at 1,000 place, which digit is there? 4. Okay? While writing a 4-digit number, we know that after 1,000, which place must be there? 100, right? 100. So which digit is at 100 place? 8, 10, 4,000, 2 1. There is no 100. There is no 100. It means at 100 place, which digit must be there? The digit must be 0, right? I told you now, if one place is not given, it means at that place nothing is there. It means nothing means 0. It means 0 will be there. So next place will be of 10. So what is the digit at 10th place? 8, right? So we will write here 8. Last place 1. At 1st place, which digit must be there? 2. So which number we get? We get 4,082. 4,082. There is the option, right? So this is our answer. Okay. So here we have completed our exercise number 5. After that, we will start our exercise number 6. So what is there in this exercise? No, sorry. One question is left. I forget about this. Question number 8. Okay. So question number 8. Which of the following statements are correct? Okay, let us start. Which of the following statements are correct? So what will we do here? In front of correct statement, we will write correct, and in front of incorrect statement, we will write incorrect. Okay? It is like true false. We have done true false, right wrong. This is same as like that question. So first one is the place value of 3 in the place value of 3 in 4316 is 316. Is it correct? Is it correct? Place value of 3. Place value of 3. So where is 3 in this number? At 100 place, right? So what should be its place value? Its place value should be 300, that is 300. And what is given here? Where is given? 3's place value will be 360. Is it right? No, it is not right. It means this statement is incorrect. Okay? This statement is incorrect. This is not correct. This is wrong. Okay? Next one. The place value of 0 in the place value of 0 in 6801 is 0. Okay? So let us see place value of 0. So where is 0? 0 is at the place of 10, right? And I told you place value of 0 is always 0 no matter where is it placed. So this statement is correct because 0 is given. So answer is correct. Next one, last one is the place value of 4 is the place value of 4 in 4325 is 4000. Okay. So is this statement correct? You can see in this number place value of 4 is 4000. That is 4000, right? So 4000 is already given. It means this statement is correct. So our solution will be correct. Okay. So here our exercise number 5 is completed. In our next class, we will continue our exercise number